guys, welcome to my quick talk of dentistry today. What do you see? Well, this is the model, the 3D printing model. I just have it printed out from one of my orthodontist case. It's beautiful, as you can see that the way they print it is give me an opportunity to evaluate the patient from front to back. Dentistry, we say posterior, anterior, and you can see everything. And just let me just show you. Look at that. So this patient came to the office, want to get braces. So we just do 30 model by digital scanning, guys. Just scan it. My assistant can do this. Look at that. So easy to scan it. Now you can evaluate the imbalance of the occlusion. You can see right there, it's not even. 4 of them not even, 5 of them is not even, all of them are not even. So the opportunity for bring these into one occlusal plane is just easy and fascinating with braces. Thanks for the technology of night-tie wire and also the artificial intelligence that provide us the ability to evaluate the patient inside and outside just digitally. It's just so wonderful. And now you can hold it like this and look at the patient teeth. So anterior a little crowded, occlusal plane with very deep curve of speed. This is something that an orthodontist, we look at that. We general dentists who do braces, we look at that and we make sure that the goal is to put the occlusion into one occlusal plane on the bottom and the top together and put the teeth together. Well, thank for the technology again. Thank you for watching. And oh, you see it dropped, and if it's the cast, it's broke. But you see this is plastic, so you can dance around, no problem. Thank you guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.